easiest budgeting method for beginners. Most people lose hundreds every month without realizing it, but if you follow this one simple rule, your money finally starts behaving. Today we're breaking down a strategy that many people use to improve their finances over time. This isn't financial advice, just practical insights you can apply based on your situation. Most people think budgeting is complicated, but it's actually really simple when you follow these steps, and once you learn it, you'll wonder why nobody taught you this in school. This is the easiest budgeting method for beginners. No spreadsheets, no math, no stress. Just 3 numbers that tell your money exactly where to go. Rule number 1. Use the 50-30-20 method. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, transportation, the basics. 30% goes to wants, the fun stuff, and 20% goes to savings or debt payoff. Here's why this works even if you've failed at budgeting before. Most budgets fail because they're too complicated. This one works because it gives every dollar a job instantly. No guessing, no guilt, no tracking every coffee. Most people overspend because their money has no structure, but when you follow this method, you instantly know what you can afford and what you can't. It removes the guilt from spending and the stress from saving. Rule number 2. Track your spending weekly, not monthly. Monthly budgets fail because you catch problems too late. By the time you realize you overspent, the damage is already done. Weekly check-ins take 5 minutes and save you hundreds. Just open your banking app every Sunday, look at what you spent, and compare it to your 50-30-20 plan. If you're going over in one category, you can adjust before it becomes a problem. This 5-minute habit saves people $200 to $600 a month. Rule number 3. Automate everything. Bills, savings, even sinking funds. Automation is the cheat code to budgeting. When your bills pay themselves, you never miss a due date. When your savings transfer automatically, you save without thinking. And when your sinking funds are automated, things like car repairs, holidays, or birthdays, you never get blindsided by unexpected expenses. Automation removes willpower from the equation. You don't need discipline when the system does the work for you. Here's how powerful this system is. If you saved just $75 a week using this method, that's almost $4,000 a year. If you invested that at 8% for 10 years, you'd have over $58,000. And that's from a habit most people ignore because they think budgeting is too hard. But it's not hard, it's just unfamiliar. Once you set this up, your money finally starts working for you instead of disappearing every month. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips.